Ooh, also somebody posted something in my art channel. Hey! I'm gonna reply to this really fast. Alrighty. Dimensional challenges. Fast draw, ratio there, one track mind. Let's just go. Pre-recorded stream? Maybe. Alrighty. Proto Heart's Cage, no special abilities, but it has the biggest stats. Green Recruit! Extinguish Spawn 4. Cleave deals damage to the front enemy unit. You're supposed to be busy, so it must be. I mean, I've been working for the past 7 days straight. So this is just me spending my time up. There's a lot of things. I'm actually thinking about grabbing my card game project off of my laptop and putting it on this main computer, and then... because I think I have Unity installed. Hold on. I'm pretty certain I have Unity installed. Let me see. I do have Unity installed, so, like, I could try working on that project again. I think about it. There, close that. Alrighty, Sword Maiden! Summon, draw an equipment card from your deck. Ooh, but Artificer gained Valor 8, so a great frontline unit with Cleave. You know, great synergy there, but we need a really strong piece of equipment. So I'm hearing Art Stream. You're not hearing Art Stream, you're hearing, like, Game Design Stream. Because I keep talking about a project I'm wanting to work on. Friendly units propagate 1. I mean, game design is art. That's the same argument that my college had. So it gave me nothing but art classes, and it burnt me out on art. So that's why. Like, don't get me wrong, I used to love doing art, and then college burnt me out of it. And we're like, no, you don't need programming for games. So I should have just gone into software engineering. Executioner is going to be the best one in this instant, because everything's going to go to the top floor. I mean, I really love the idea of Sinner Salve, but we are on Covenant rank 1, so we don't have the blights inherently built in. I think I want to try to make a really strong piece of equipment. Draw 1 list each turn. I mean, we're on Covenant rank 1. We can't get punished that badly, right? You can go there. Try to make everything as big as possible. Alright, so this is all of my guys I can have. Oh, cool, it merges them, too. Fascinating. I don't think there's really much I need to do this run. This run kind of plays itself. I just need a way for all of my guys. I specifically need, like, 6 units on the train. I already got 2. I could go with Infectory. Consume, apply sap 2 to enemy units. I'll go with that. Selfless sacrifice. Oh, it chooses the route for me. All right. Let's see what we got. Quick, large stone. That's really good, the large stone. We'll take the Battle Dancer. All right, who are we applying large stone to? I want to make somebody big. I mean, I honestly want this Sword Maiden to... Oh, wait. Do all my guys... Yeah, they all have quick, so this quick's kind of pointless. We're going to go ahead and also give you... Regen? Yeah, sure. And then we're going to go ahead and remove a Shield Steward. Because they don't fit no more. Just in case I can't get any more, we're going to go ahead boost him up. Titan Skin 1, it's fine. It's free. All right. There. I want these guys to be in the right position. Just Valor up this top floor as much as possible. I am really worried about... There's a certain enemy that can really destroy me if we're not careful. You know what? With the Blood of the Apex, I think this was a mistake to pick. Beautiful. So I can get some form of Proliferate on the top floor, that'd be great. But we can't guarantee it. Ooh, Consume Spawn 4. I can also do Rot. Rut-row, yeah. We'll take a powerful spell. We'll go ahead and take this Windblade. It's better than nothing. Please go to the left. Dang it. Remove consume -1. This is 120. We're 10 short. I would like to have made the rot better, but I'm going to go ahead and just take Selfless Sacrifice. Since this one has Permafrost, I'm going to go ahead and have this Cleave get purged. Better than nothing. Oh yeah, Banished unit. None of these are, like, exceptionally great. They're both Revenge units. I'm just going to skip on that. None of those actually make my deck better. Ooh. What are we going to empower the Sword Maiden with? Because the Sword Maiden's our primary tank. I could give her... Honestly, any of them is going to be great. I got a work call I got to take. Speaking of work being... That was a long little call right there. So sorry about that. Amro, if you're still there, welcome back to the stream. We're doing okay. I had work call. Work has been very busy. Again, why I'm not playing Polytopia at the exact moment. I'm hoping to be free, but I'm looking ahead multiple weeks. I don't know if I'm going to be free on an upcoming Sunday. Not unless I get more people, because I am severely understaffed. Alright. This is definitely going on the Sword Maiden. Regen 10, Summon, draw an equipment card, and Artificer Valor 8. I mean, the Savage Skin is just easy to reduce the damage by a lot, but in the late game, because they're going to be doing like 32 damage, it still makes them very tanky. Rage Fight, Revenge. Well, actually, oh, I can't guarantee duplications. I was going to say, let's just duplicate the unit. Plus 40 health. You know what? I've never worked with the plus 40 health. Let's do that. Plus 40 health, gain 2 for every missing 1. Sounds good to me. Alrighty. Pushes units back. Lovely. We're definitely going to be duplicating that unit. Equipment is attached to any ally of this unit. Okay. Our lords will not rest. Alrighty. Eager Conscript. Selfless Sacrifice. Alright, and then he goes up and merges. Right now, it's our only room. As much valor as possible. I need to advance him again. We'll just put him there. That's fine. I think we're maxed out on the top floor. We could technically fit one more. Do I want to go through the effort to do so? Not really. I don't think I care enough about that. We're just going to go ahead and apply some rot. Can't move. Big shrooms. Beautiful. Alrighty, what do we want? Advance, apply Valor 5 to a friendly unit, then it attacks immediately. Consume, apply decay equal to 5x sap. I don't have sap, right? Yeah, we're not really running sap. This is more so of a Valor run. A Valor Shroom run. Or apply Evergrow, regen 3, sap 3. I don't really need regen. I guess we'll take Eagle Heart. Oh, goody! It's this guy. We're gonna take Hell's Flame. Maybe needed a little more space. Where are we going? Dang! Yeah! Duplication! Ooh, Titanite. Reduce size to 1. If we can get Spore Launcher, that'd be great. Forge, Executioner 2? Or Hive Minder for +1 attack permanently. I think we just go Executioner. And then, last but not least, do I just mass duplicate the Sword Maiden, or do we go ahead and duplicate... I think we just go ahead and duplicate Spore Launcher. Let me go ahead and get rid of our Shield Steward. And so how many units do we have? Let's sort by card type. We're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, I can get rid of a Spear Steward. We're just going to do that. Where are you at? Where'd he go? That's fine. Free wins. Oh no, reanimate 1. Yeah, I don't think they're going to have a chance. But this just comes down to... This is just basically free advance. If I view it this way... There we go. Fortunately, we're going to get a lot of these lousy bells. We're gonna go ahead and apply this Valor 5. We also still don't have our equipment. Oh no! Well, we don't get that. I definitely need, to be able to heal my pyre. I mean, because I'm okay at this exact moment, but, we're taking a little damage. I thought that was going to be enough. A brief respite. Yuck. Or, what I need to do is pick something that's going to clear the... I need silence. I need to have silence in these rooms. Just the amount of DK. Ah, apple juice. Grow room for propagate? Apply Decay 8 in Sap 2. Add a copy of this card to your discard pile. I mean, I like the Infectory, because it allows me to apply a whole bunch of Decay to the Spore Launcher. But I also like this Wax Cap to apply some sap, but I don't have both, and I can't guarantee on both. We're gonna take the Wax Cap. Valor on friendly units adds +1 per stack. Cute. Apply Valor 2. Yeah, since we're stacking all on one floor, we should go ahead and just... Yes! Enchanted Chamber. Reroll. What do I want for my Sword Maiden? I honestly don't think we're merging here. I think we're just... Also, do I grab a Grow Room? I should not have grabbed the Enchanted Chamber. That was the wrong room to grab. I don't think we grabbed the Grow Room. We grabbed the Grow Room. And what am I duplicating? I could duplicate another Wax Cap just to apply more sap on the enemies. 1, 2, 3, I mean, there's Battle Dancer for 4. And then... our champion 5. I don't care about the Spear Steward. If I grab this Sword Maiden, it makes it easier for me to get all of my equipment on all my guys. It's got big stats, but Spore Launcher... Then we go ahead and duplicate Sword Maiden. It's better than nothing. Yeah, good enough. At the start of battle, enemy units appear on each floor. It appears they haven't learned their lesson. Alright, Sword Maiden for the front with a meat shield, why not? Spore Launcher. With Bolette. And... Battle Dancer. Nice. Okay, so we only got 3 there. Better than nothing. Alright, Sap. Let's go ahead and play these green recruits. I think we're fine. I'll go ahead and play the Enchanted Chamber here. Unfortunately, one of the units I didn't want to make it to the top made it to the top. Alright, Propagate. There's no way I can actually, like, legitimately kill this unit off, can I? I don't think so. That is an actual shame. I think I can honestly just click, spam click end turn at this current moment. We are going to do the best we can to get rid of everything they have. Less Titan skin for the enemies, the better. Do I just play another Wax Cap just to apply more sap? I'm just gonna grab another Wax Cap. Retreat the front enemy unit. Descend and advance a friendly unit. Yeah, I think that'll be good in case we have what happened last time happen again, which I want to avoid. Alright, goodbye, Spear Steward, and no more Enchanted Chamber. I don't need that. I should not have taken that in the first place. Permafrost on Heroic Dive. Intrinsic. I mean, I can, just so that way it also costs less. Do I make rocks cost less just so we can start stacking decay on the enemy boss? I don't think so. And then we make Benediction cost 1. And we're going to give Rots the Consume treatment. Speaking of... Consume treatment... I don't know if the Green Recruit's really the best unit in this deck. We might as well hold on to it. It's better. I think it's still better than nothing. We'll go ahead and get rid of... maybe I should have saved my money. I probably should have saved my money for the next floor. But again, we're kind of at this point where I don't have to do too much, and the deck kind of just wins, just cuz. Do you want... How desperate am I? I think I'd rather just get this double Spore Launcher up and rolling. Like I honestly wanted previously. Propagate 1. Can go there. Benediction. I was gonna say I shouldn't have done that, but it's fine. It's fine. If he dies, he dies. But I should have done it differently. I kind of want to do this without doing any restarts. Beautiful. We can also inspire everybody on the top floor. Perfect. So now our fun guy is in the correct... It's in a better location. Alright, when a troop dies... Let's bring you onto the front, shall we? That way all of my tanky guys are all the way in the front. That's a lot of decay. More bells. Heroic Dive we don't have to worry too much about. And we can just hold on to these 2 cards. We managed to get the mushrooms pretty much in the back, where they're not going to be affected by anything. We do have corruption on our front shield unit, so... You're not dying. Are we... Okay, 4 units. We're fine. It's okay that they stay on this floor, though. So much decay. Alright, so these guys are now stuck on this floor. That's fine. Advance. What about if I throw you onto the bottom? Nice! Alright, so then he gains even more Valor. Because, yeah, we don't have to rearrange our units any further. We just need to stop taking damage, thank you. Even though right now it feels good, but I think the next two fights are going to go horribly wrong. I don't think we're snowballing fast enough is the issue. Because, like, we're going to be dealing 200 damage, but we need to do 400 twice. We need to do 1,000 damage. And we're not doing that. But right now, we're fine. It's... over 8. Did we remove consume off of anything? We did. Selfless sacrifice. Consume, apply consume and -1. But I bet you that this overwrites the remove consume from Eternal Stone. I would like to play Cursed Twinblade to give the, we'll go and grab it. And... Why did I take card draw? No, I think we still take another Hell's Flame. I think we're fine. Ooh, modify our room some more. And some equipment. Troops add +3 per health, and then spawn 3. How much equipment do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I just buy another mushy room? And then we can just remove the propagate room. We'll see if this is good enough. I mean, it's a lot of equipment. But... what units are Petrified Souls? Yeah, it's fine. Alright, Spore Launcher. Spore Launcher. Sword Maiden? Go here? Battle Dancer. Try to get everything out as quick as we can. You can go here. You can go here. I don't want those stinking bells. We're gonna take a tiny bit of damage. It's fine. It's just 12. We're not fighting the Titans. We're on Covenant rank 1, so we're gonna be fine. Oh no. Yeah, because I need you to move up. You get equipped there for double valor. Alright, so the front two should be the ones to move forward, right? Yes. Okay, awesome. Rally, 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 rally. Dang, there's the collector. Alright, we're gonna apply quick again over here. Also gets more valor. More valor. There. You... Oh, but then you get moved all the way to the back. That was dumb. I should have moved the one in the back forward. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Stasis Crystal, you. Meat Shield, you, because you will be going to the front soon. But to make sure that our units... I need more ways to advance. I should probably take a more card draw. Oh, yes. There it is. Ah! Oh well. Alright, tiny bit of damage. We're fine. In this case, we're okay. Rather not take the damage, but... Everything is dying, we're fine. Even stronger! I like how those guys have just survived. Through all the waves, this bottom floor has managed to survive? Here. Artificer! Yeah, he's gonna do no damage, though. So it's okay if he goes to the pyre. He's way oversapped. This is scary, though. I think we just kill you. Just get you out of there. Alright, he's got even more sap. Dang! Maybe it's not as bad for us as I was thinking it was going to be. I was expecting that to be way harder. Apply Decay 7. I mean, I can. Decay 20 and apply damage. Both of these are going to be fun. But this will get rid of the back line. Enchant, gain trample. But he doesn't fit. I would have to place him in a way so that way I could give him a higher floor, but I can't even guarantee that, so... I think I'm just going to take another Eagle Heart. I don't think it actually really matters at this point. But it's more ways for me to advance. Shroom units apply Decay 1 to enemy units on summon. Where was it? Pox! Do we have holdover? We do not. I could make it cost 2 less. I'm going to reroll for holdover. Dang. I really like that to help get me started as quickly as possible. I don't like any of these. A lot of these are just cute, but... what's more important? Valor 1. I think we just get rid of 1 Inspire and 1 Eager Conscript. Shroom units to apply Decay 1 to enemy units on summon. I don't think so. When Angel moves against Valor 2... Attuned Whetstone? Attuned Whetstone is going to be better here. You probably think I've favored Attuned Whetstone too much, and you're probably right. I do think you would be right to say that I use Attuned Whetstone way too much. There we go. Nice. We're gonna put that there so that my units don't die. I think we're gonna heroic dive here. That way I can get the shroom in the back as soon as possible. And then I really need these guys to die as quickly as possible. Good. Alright, Sap 3. End of combat. Recruit. More Sap. Pass the turn. And then at this point, I think we kind of just... yeah, so it's actually these guys. These stupid birds. They're going to be dealing a lot of damage to my pyre for no good reason. Alright, Mushroom. Get stronger. And... why do you have Decay 8? Why? Okay, but why though? I think we should be fine. We're gonna Inspire to boost everyone's attack. And then we might as well do the Consume Cleave. Not nearly as much, as I'd like to be doing. I do Eager Conscript here. Hit, hit. Attack 2, attack 2. Why are you taking 4? Melee weakness, right. I should have done Eagle Heart here. It's fine. Yeah. Ha! 0 damage. 0 damage to the pyre. Damage shield 2 to you. Advance you. Inspire. I mean, I think we should be fine, but we're not doing nearly enough damage as I would like. Ah, we took 2. Unacceptable. Alright. Benediction. Pass the turn. We're gonna let that unit keep growing stronger. And be done with the dimensional challenge soon. There's another 20 damage, though, I'm taking. So what gave him decay? What gave Bolette decay to the point that he dies? What am I forgetting here? Clearly I'm forgetting something. Because he was the only guy to get decay. I think we take 1 point of damage here. Well, we take 11, but it's fine. Oh, no, just 10. And then emerge. Continue. Under Legion, level up, unlocking, dig deep, spawn 1. For every 10 cards in your deck, spawn 1 more. Hell yeah. Alrighty, well that was cute.